What is up, people? It is Tiffany Riley. We are going to conclude the 4 Witchy Elements Makeup Tutorial Series thingy with the last element in the 4 elements thingy. That, of course, is Earth. Now, I did do a tutorial on this look last year, so that will be in the description below, along with my other stuff, such as my Twitter, my Instagram, my PR/business email, and all that other good stuff. So, let's get started. So, first thing I'm going to be applying is primer. I don't have any particular primer on hand with me right now, so I'm going to be using a new Hydrofusion Gel Cream by Avon. And I am going to be applying that all over my lid. Applying it to the crease, as well as the lid. This just not makes a good primer, or I can't even talk, hello. This just not make a good primer, I don't know. It's also a good moisturizer because it's, has water, hydrofusion, because, adds moisture. I don't know. Anyway, but we're going to be taking a crease brush. And of course I'm taking the Earth palette by Essence Cosmetics. We are going to be starting with a beige color. Now taking the same brush, I need to get new brushes. Taking the same brush, we are going to be applying a dark green color. And we're going to be applying that on the crease. It looks dark on camera, but it's really not. Now taking a flathead brush, we're going to be taking a kind of like a golden color. We're going to be applying that on the lid. Alright. Now taking a eye crease brush. This one is by from e.l.f. I'm going to be taking a brown color, a shimmery brown color. And I'm going to be placing a little bit of that, and I'm going to be placing it like kind of making it more of a smoky effect. Now we are going to be taking a blush brush and the Blushed in Love palette from Avon. From their Valentine's collection, we're going to be taking the highlighter section, and we're going to be placing that on our, right where we place the highlighter, or where you would normally place the highlighter. Or bronzer. I keep saying highlighter, it's freaking bronzer, I mean. Now I use this look in one of my OCs. It's actually, I use this look in my new OC. So when I'm doing my makeup for that OC, I usually just get the bronzer and put it all over my face and everything, because the OC that I do for this look is actually a male. So I just put it all, I just get the bronzer and, or what is this, a bronzer or highlighter? My bad, I thought it was a bronzer. And just like do it all over my face. Alright. Next, of course, would be liner. Well, for me, well, yeah. Okay, we're going to be taking the Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow Tube from Avon. This is in the shade Fool's Gold. We're going to be using it as eyeliner, because I am not good at eyeliner. Alright. Now for the lips, we are actually going to be taking kind of a neutral color, and the shade I'm going to be using is called Brown, I think. What's it called? I don't know. It's this color. I don't know what it's called, but because the label is like not. I guess it's just brown. I don't know. But we're going to be placing that on our lips. Kind of smooth it out just a little bit. And of course we're done with that look. So this is this was the last thing, the last look in the 4 Witchy Elements series. I will post all of this year's looks in the description below, along with last year's. I only did 2 last year, don't know why. I don't know. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you guys like this kinds of makeup tutorial series things, then just give this video a thumbs up and just let me know what kind of looks you want me to do within the next coming days and months and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world, and I hope you guys are okay. I'm always here if y'all need a friend. So love you guys.